What's going on, guys? So I got the gas tank and cross member completely out of the Forester now, as you can see. And I got the gas tank over here, but I have to wait because the gas tank straps are pretty well fucked. I gotta buy some new ones, so I gotta order those at work. I'm also gonna fluid film the top of the gas tank and around the seams, all that fun stuff, just so it holds up and lasts a little bit longer. I still have to swap over the cross member to the STI one. Probably do that later today, but right now I am starting to take the motor out. So when I get a little bit more done, I will get back at you. Alright, so it's motor pulling time. I have the motor completely disconnected from the transmission along with the motor mounts to the cross member. I took the clutch fork pin out already. All the wiring's undone. Everything should be time to come out. As you can see, it gets pretty full when you have 2 cars worth of shit sprawled out with the chassis empty. When the Forester is going away, I'm going to throw as much shit in that as I can. But yeah, as you can see, it's pretty full. Time to pull something else out in the way, and hopefully it won't be in the way for too long. Alright guys, calling it a night. I was able to drop the front subframe complete. You already saw I took the motor out. Only other thing I have to do is drop the transmission. I'm gonna save that for tomorrow night. Mainly because I gotta rearrange shit and it's starting to get late right now. I don't want to spend too much time moving stuff around and then it being too late, so I can't even really get into stuff. And I made quite a mess with the gear fluid, so I'm going to let that soak up a little bit. The only issue I had is I had an issue getting one of the actual stubs out of the transmission. It was just a whole misalignment thing, because one side started dropping, the other side was already out, but yeah, stuck. But no, I got that done. Yeah, the transmission is the only thing left in the chassis that I actually need. So I'm gonna search around, see who can take this puppy away. Either sometime this week or Saturday, just so it's out of the way. Because once this is out of the way, I can have space. But we'll just see how that goes. Hopefully someone can take it. It's, like I've always said, dead to me now. Just have to get a few more wiring things off it and then that's it. But yeah, this weekend, 3-day weekend, because Memorial Day, I was able to drop the gas tank, drop the rear end, drop the subframe, pull the motor, get everything ready for the transmission, did more shit on this. Say it was a good weekend. I just made a mess. Now I have to start reapplying it to this car. One other thing I have to do is I have to swap over the Hurricane bushings on the control arms, because the Forester and the GC ones are different. But I need some penetrant. I'm all out. I'll get some at work tomorrow. That's another reason why I'm holding off. Because if I had those swapped over, I could just, well, not throw the subframe up in, but I could try to install it. I don't have everything for that now though. But penetrant, probably some more oil dry, some gear oil for that thing. Start reassembling. Good weekend. If you're still watching, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for actual progress on that car. Peace.